Hello friends, today, we'll show you how you can earn money on the internet in a comfortable way. First, open the site I gave you in the description of the video on your desktop or phone. Then the site will appear on your screen in this way. After opening the site, click on the button you see at the top right and select the register option found here to register. Then enter your name, email and password again in the registration section that opens, and then complete the registration by accepting the terms. Make sure that you have entered the username, email and password information correctly. Remember this information after entering the information. You can return to the main page. After returning to the home page, you can again use the login option from the button located at the top right of the site and log in with the information you entered when registering. After completing all these operations, you can earn crypto money by completing the tasks on the site, completing the surveys, or completing other tasks that it gives to your site. Finally, you can also withdraw the crypto coins you have earned and use them by converting them into money. You can earn more money in a shorter time by using the site regularly and correctly. You can also go down to the bottom of the site and go to the Play Store from this button and download the site's application. Using the application, you can also make money in a more convenient way. Yes, friends, you can also earn money comfortably by using this site and completing tasks. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.